Welcome back to Maths Masterclass. Earlier in this algebra series, we talked about variables and constants. If you haven't seen those videos yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. I really recommend watching them first, so today's lesson makes complete sense. Now, in this video, we're moving into something called simplifying algebraic terms, also known as combining like terms. So, the first question is, what exactly are like terms? Before I go further, let's quickly talk about what power means. Power, sometimes called an exponent, is just the little number written above a variable. It tells us how many times that variable is multiplied by itself. For example, x cubed means x times x times x. So the power here is 3. Now, back to like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. If I have 2x and 3x, both have the same variable x and the same power of 1. Note, 1 is not always written as a power because anything raised to power 1 is still the same, so 2x and 3x are like terms. Another example, 2x squared and 5x squared, both have the same variable x and the same power of 2, so they're also like terms. Or, 6p cubed and just p cubed, again, same variable p and the same power of 3, like terms. But what if the powers or variables are different, then we call them unlike terms. For instance, x squared and x, same variable x but different powers, they're unlike terms. 6p to power 3 and 2p to power 2, same variable p but different powers, unlike terms. One more, 4x and 4y, x and y have same power of 1, but they are different variables, so they are unlike terms. Here's the key point. We can only add or subtract like terms. We cannot add or subtract unlike terms. Think of it this way, adding unlike terms is like trying to add oranges and apples, you can't combine them into one because they're not the same thing. But 2 apples plus 3 apples gives you 5 apples. That's exactly how like terms work. Let's solve some examples. Example 1, 5x plus 2x. Here, the terms are like terms, so we simply add the coefficients. This gives us 7x. Example 2, simplify 3a plus 4b minus 2a plus 7b. To solve this, we have to group the terms that are alike, meaning, we are grouping the terms that have same variable and same power, in other words we collect like terms. So we group 3a and minus 2a together, and 4b plus 7b together. Next, simplify each group. 3a minus 2a equals a, instead of writing 1a, we write a, because 1a means 1 is multiplying a, and anything multiplied by 1 is the same. And 4b plus 7b equals 11b. Therefore, the answer is a plus 11b. Example 3. Simplify 5x squared plus 3x plus 4x squared minus 7 plus 2x minus 3. Okay, we start by collecting like terms. 5x squared and 4x squared have the same variable and power, so we bring them together. Also, 3x and 2x, and then, minus 7 and minus 3. 5x squared plus 4x squared equals 9x squared. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. And minus 7 minus 3 equals minus 10. Now, we can't add nor subtract since they are all unlike terms. So this becomes the answer. And although this expression can further be factorized, we'll leave that for another lesson. And that's it. Combining like terms is just grouping and adding or subtracting. Try this on your own, simplify 4x squared plus 3x minus 2x squared plus 7. Drop your answer in the comment. If this was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video we will look at how to multiply algebraic terms, and their properties. See you soon.